Hi guys, in front of me is Amazon Fire 10 HD, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So if you wish to customize your device a bit, you have to open your settings at first, then find and select display, and click on wallpaper. And now you can either choose one from default wallpapers, smoothly tap on particular one to see how a chosen picture looks on your screen, or you can pick something from your own photos, just click on photos and then select the picture that you wish to apply. So for example, this one you can obviously customize it however you like, and let me apply this one, tap on set, and that's it. As you can see, from now on this brand new wallpaper is covering your home screen. Let me just rotate your screen. As you can see now, it is in horizontal layout. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.